That warm pipeline of yours isn't warm. It's wasting runway. It's wasting resources. It's wasting money. What we need to talk about today is how you break the illusion of a warm pipeline, because that's not going to get you to scalability. I'm Rich Laster. This is Blown on Business Podcast, and we need to jump into this. One, there's a dangerous illusion of having a warm pipeline, of having warm leads. This is not where, punchline, this is not where you stake your claim. This is not the hill you die on. Warm leads are not part of your projections. If they are, something's wrong. Why? Because warm leads aren't hot. I don't know how your pipeline is set up. We build sales velocity here. If your pipeline has more warm leads than hot leads, people who have come out of discovery and now they know you better, you know them a lot better, 2 ears, 1 mouth. All right. If that's not happening, I don't know where to start. So let's start at the beginning. You're in business to do something better or differently than anyone else. All right. If you are loudly or quietly, but always tactically communicating that message out to the marketplace, then the people that you are speaking to will engage if they have need, if they have want. Okay? If your messaging is not reaching who you say your ideal client is, there's a disconnect, right? Because somebody that's not your ideal client can be a warm lead. Happens all the time. Do you know how the average business is marketing qualified leads? People that engaged with their social media rarely convert into clients. The national average is about 40%. The goal is 70%. 70-80% means that marketing and sales actually talk to each other. Now, guess what? Everybody knows what a qualified lead is. We're speaking the same language. Marketing qualified it. Now sales qualifies it. Okay, cool. Is it a deal or not? Guess what? Either way, it's likely hotter than the stuff you're basing these projections on and calling warm leads. Well, we've got a warm pipeline. Nobody's listening, right? Your people you're pitching, your audience, they fell asleep, all right? Because there's a very big difference between readiness and warmth, right? In business, this is not about choices for us as business owners. We make decisions, and we are ready or we are not ready, right? Warm is what I am when I'm sitting outside at the fire pit smoking a cigar with a nice cup of coffee, okay? That's warm. Ready is what I am every morning when I wake up. Big difference. So we don't want warm leads, but we'll take them and work them and get them hot. You with me? Because what I really need you to understand here is that conversion is always the goal. Now, at the top of a marketing funnel, are we thinking about conversion yet? No. How many people have asked questions? How many people have commented? Do we know that? Have we seen that? Is that real? Okay. So listen, you can't fall into the fluff. You can't parrot like what the talking points of the day are. You have to be focused on who you help, how you help them, and speaking to the disconnect there, right? I'm a sales guy. I keep marketing people very close, right? I listen to my audience. Why? Because I damn sure don't know everything, okay? If you're the son of anyone that served in the United States military, you feel me right now. You don't know everything, but you can learn anything. Hooah. All right, let's keep going. So I need you to do a deal reality check, right? It's very important, right, that you do a deal reality check. How do you qualify a lead? This is more important than anything. This is specific to your business, but you need exactly 5 questions that will drill in on who buys what you sell, what pain points they have, what budget they have, and what is the time frame for execution. We don't have time for pipeline theater, okay? Nobody wants to hear about how great you are. Nobody. People want to know how you help them. Warm leads might be curious. They might not. They may have clicked the wrong link. You don't know, because if they're not hot, they're not ready. I'm Rich Laster with growexpand.com. This has been a quick bite. We're usually at 10 minutes. We're at like 7. This has been a quick bite because we don't need to go into this too long. I just gave you the fix. Those 5 questions on how to better qualify the leads that come across your CRM. If you don't have a CRM, visit growexpand.com/CRM. If I can help at all, visit richlaster.com, because really, I get out of bed and I make very nice money by helping you. Now, a message from our sponsor.
Company. We produce strategies and deploy experts to grow your business revenue. The success of our clients is a direct result of the 25+ years of sales and marketing experience of our founder, Rich Laster. We take the guesswork out of increasing your revenue. Our reputation is built on results, not another roll of the dice with your marketing budget. Visit growexpand.com to learn how.